Hey guys, today's video we'll be doing some craft videos. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a bow and arrow by recycling this pen, this used up pen. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, for making a bow and arrow with a pen, you basically need a pen, an empty pen, and keep it to the other side, and you need some rubber bands and some safety pins and some refillers. Okay, some empty refillers you can see. Okay, now let's keep it right. Okay, and now take the pen and remove the both ends. Okay, basically you cannot use a pen like this with one end open and one other end like this. You can use this pen. You can use this pen with two ends open, and after that take a cut end of the refiller like this, a small cut end, and after that make two holes on the top right here, and for sliding this refiller in. Now you need to take the refiller, like this. You can see here, Okay, after doing, take a pin, safety pin, and you will basically notice that the end of the safety pin is very sharp and it can cause some injury, so cut the end of the safety pin, a very small end. Be careful while doing this. Okay, that is very deep. Very small, deep. And now you can see the sharp end of the safety pin has gone, so it is safe right now. And after that, take a rubber band. Take one strong stretchy rubber band. Okay, and now take the rubber band and put like this on the head of the safety pin, and you will get a thing like this. And what you need to do after that is take the structure you made before with the pen and put it like this, and stretch it and put it on the other hole. And now take the refiller. Let me make some adjustments. Okay. Take the refiller and slide the refiller to the other side. And after that, pull one end like this, and take the pin and push the sharp end into the refiller. And now the bow and arrow is ready. And now how this works? Okay, okay, you need to stretch like by holding here on the refiller, not on the pin, on the refiller, and stretch back. Okay, you can adjust the speeds of this bow according to your wish. You can pull it back so the refiller can go long distance, and can, if you want to shoot small distance, you can keep it like this. Okay, and after that, for firing, you just need to pull it way back and just release. Now you can see the bow has gone. Okay, let me show you a quick demo of this bow and arrow.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, for the demo I have placed a single sheet of paper right there in a specific manner. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bow and arrow we made before and fire it at the sheet and let's check what happens. Okay, as I told, stretch and aim and fire. Yo guys, as you can see, the border went right into the sheet of paper. Let's check where it went. Yeah guys, I got it regular like that. Okay, let's fire it once again. Okay, just take it. Okay guys, be careful while doing this, because if you fire it at someone and they could get injured, so be careful. Okay, once again, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, went straight through there. Yeah, so that's how this arrow works. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is very simple for making, and if you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button down below, and also turn on the notification icon to all. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have subscribed, then thumbs up for that guys. And well, I'm epidimis from RBGD, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.
Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.